Welcome to Magnolia Bay Estates, the newest gym on the Florida Panhandle, brought to you by award-winning builder Traton Homes. Located in Freeport in Walton County, this gated community offers the perfect blend of coastal charm and modern living. Just minutes from the pristine white sand beaches and the glistening emerald waters of the Gulf of Mexico, Magnolia Bay Estates is ideal for those seeking adventure or relaxation. Magnolia Bay Estates offers easy access to Highway 20, Highway 331, and the picturesque coastal towns along 30A. Spend your days sunny on the beach, collecting seashells, chartering a fishing boat, or exploring the many coastal boutiques. Traton Homes has crafted a wonderful collection of open-branch home designs that are functional as they are elegant. Inside, you will find well-appointed living spaces, 3 to 4 bedrooms, stylish kitchens with spacious islands, and an elegant owner suite. Step outside and you'll discover a welcoming streetscape with covered porches, appealing architectural details, and 2 or 3 car garages. Our gorgeous new decorated model home is now open and available for personal or online tours. Visit our website at tratonhomes.com or contact Ted Turner at 404-315-9063 to learn more. Your dream home awaits in the heart of the Florida Panhandle. Call today.